Hi, I'm Aru and welcome to my channel Arubakes, where I make simple yet delicious food to inspire you to ditch the takeout and go for healthy, delicious and budget-friendly homemade meals. In the next 3 videos, I'll be making 3 very different meals using up leftover rotisserie chicken to show you that eating leftovers does not need to be boring. Let's start with this healthy chicken salad. For the dressing, I'm using a good glug of olive oil along with minced garlic, the juice of half a lemon, a dash of salt and some chopped herbs. Pop this into a jar and give it a good shake. This is slightly too acidic for my liking, so I added a squirt of mayo. You can always skip this whole step and use your favorite store-bought dressing. Set your dressing aside and cube up your leftover chicken into bite-sized pieces. I like to give my salad leaves a rough chop so that it's easier to eat. To this, I'm adding some diced mangoes, chopped nuts, couscous, and green peas. I like to have a lot of different colors, flavors, and textures in my salad for a nice contrast, both visually and taste-wise. Simply assemble all your ingredients in a bowl and pour your dressing over. Give it a quick mix until everything is well coated in the dressing. The best thing about this is you can use most veg you have sitting in your fridge, and you can even add a bit of rice instead of couscous to give the salad a bit more body. I like a little bit of extra crunch in my salad, so I'm topping this with some fried onion. And there you have it, a healthy salad bowl using up your leftover chicken. Next, I'll be turning this rotisserie chicken into a hearty chicken sandwich that's perfect for a light lunch or a snack. So don't forget to check out part 2 and 3 for the next 2 recipes and hit the subscribe button for more food inspiration like this one. Bye!